Viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at how you can earn money from Bybit by just performing simple activities. Okay, so before I dive into that, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value and also make money from this amazing content. Alright, you can see I just received a notification from Bybit which says action needed. Claim your share of $15,000. What do you need to do? All you just need to do is to trade few coins. It's another thing you need to do for you to earn money. What do you need to trade among this? What you just need to trade is to trade DAP, trade cards, trade puffer, carve, and dip to win a tokens for free. The moment you get to open them, you will see an African token bonanza. What does it say? It says secure your share of 15,000 worth of tokens. Alright? This was dropped on October 30th, and this video is a reminder for you to stake right away and make out of this 15,000 worth of tokens. Right? So what you just need to do? What you need to do is simple. So let's see those activities you need to perform. The activities you need to perform says trade DAP, which is the DAP, against USDT, or you trade a card, alright, or you trade a puffer, or you can also trade a carve against USDT, and the last but not the least, you can trade a dip. You can trade a dip, which is very simple. What is this event period? In case you miss out. So you must follow up before this day runs out. What is this event period? Register for this event and move closely to your reward hub. Okay, what do you just need to do? As I said, all you just need to do is just trade one of those coins. Click on trade. Alright, if you click on trade, you can come straight to this place to trade this coin called DAP. You can either click here to click on buy, or click on trade. It will navigate you to this place. Then buy the quantity you want to buy. With just 10 USDT, you get 78. What if you get 50 USDT? What are you going to get? You're going to gain more than 391 of these very coins, which is good. Alright? You just trade it, buy it. That is just what you need to just trade it. You can buy it immediately and also sell it immediately. That's all you just need to do. All you just need to do is just buy. Okay, just trade the coin. Alright, so you can keep following this stage to trade any of those coins you wish to trade. Alright, you can go over again and trade cards, come over again and trade each of those coins so that you can meet up with these activities. So the next thing you just need to do, you can come here to trade on cards. This is the cards. You can click to trade on cards like right away. If you trade cards, you're going to make a reward at the end of everything. Okay, all you just need to do is to follow the same step of the first processes. Click on buy, impute the volume of the USD. I know by now you are very conversant with how to trade on Bybit. Okay, by now you are very conversant with how to trade on Bybit, right? So I don't think you're going to have a much challenge about that. So we're going to go back there again to trade what? What are we going to trade now? We're going to trade the third coin on the list. We have traded the DAP. We have shown how to trade cards as well. Now we're going to show how to trade puffer. It's still the same process. All you just need to do is to click on this puffer. Click on the puffer to trade it like right away and make your profits by the end of everything. Alright? So after trading the puffer, you can still go back there to trade any other of this coin that is on the list. The next one is on the list is carve. You trade CAV against USDT, still the same thing. Come to this place and make sure you buy. If you buy, you can also sell immediately, but your record is there already that you have already purchased a CAV before. Alright, so this brings me to the end of this class. If you have any question, drop it at the comment section. If you have any question, drop it in the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.